Hey kids! Last time we were together, I was showing you how to add using base 10 blocks. Today I'm going to teach you a different addition strategy. The more strategies you can use to add, the easier it is to check your work and check your thinking. So let's learn how to use an open number line to solve addition problems. Last time we talked, we did base 10. Now let's talk about doing the same problem on a number line. Okay, we solved 186 plus 357. We're going to solve that same problem using an open number line. When you add on a number line, you don't really need all of the individual little tick marks. That's why it's called an open number line. I'm just going to start with my first number, 186. And then I'm going to add each place value one at a time. So I've got 3 hundreds in this number that I'm adding. So I'm going to ask myself, what would it be if I added 3 hundreds? That would be 286, 386, 486. If I added 186 plus 3 hundreds, that would give me 486. Okay, now let's add the tens place. There are 5 tens in my number, so I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. So I'm going to count by tens, which means my tens place is going to go up one number each time. So if I start at 486, this will be 496, 506, 516, 526, 536. Great. Now I just need to add my ones. There are 7 ones in this number. So if I add 7 ones to 536, that gives me 537, 538, 539, 540, 541, 542, 543. My answer should be 543. And that's what we got last time. So that means we're very likely correct. When you solve an addition problem 2 different ways and you get the same answer, then it's pretty sure that you're correct. Why don't you try one? Solve 118 plus 236. Pause the video and see if you got it. Alright, great work. Check your work with mine. When you add 118 plus 236, did you get 354? I sure hope so. If you start with 118 and you add 2 hundreds, because there's 2 in the hundreds place, you have 318. Then you add 10, 20, 30. 3 tenths, because there's 3 in the tens place. That gives you 348. Then we just have to add 6 ones, and that gives us 354. Great work. Try the last one. 341 plus 563. Pause the screen, and then let's see if we got the same thing. Great work. Did you get 904? I sure hope so. This one was a little bit harder because we added such a big number, but you work it the same way. You start with 341, then you're going to add 5 hundreds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That leaves you with 841. Okay, then we've got to add 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That leaves you with 901. Then you just add 3 ones. That gives you 904. So we added 5 hundreds, 6 tens, and 3 ones to the number 341 and ended with a sum of 904. Great job practicing the number line strategy today. We'll learn another one next time. Thanks for practicing.